Okay, this is called mini blind cordless. How to fit? First of all, you have to you need some sharp knife to cut the plastic. All right, then I have to cut this one, then cut this one too. Open it, very easy. Take out this one, sharp knife, a little bit open. Here you are. There you are. This two. Here is a 4 hole, so we need a 2, 2, and 2. We don't need this especially. Okay, so here you are. Okay, number one, you have to fit this one. Okay. First, you put like this, not like this. Okay, put it like this. Okay, and how you measure is normally one hand, like you see here, like this, and other side too. First this one, other side too, like a, see, exact. So first what you do is put the mark by your pen or a screw. Focus over here, and one here, and over here, and over here, right? After that, you can put this one here. You see, check it out. After put, you have to like this. If you don't have this machine, you can just simply use this one. Okay, put this one like that. See, if you don't have machine. So after that, 3, 4 hole, and then put it 1, 2. So after you fit the this hole, you see the most important. Check it out. Check out this plastic, right? And this one, take it out.
Yeah.
Then it's not finished yet. I'm gonna finish. This is final. You see here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Actually here 4, but it's not necessary you have to put the 4. Even you see, you can hold by the 3 nail, right? So after that, this is most important. You see here, this is to call, well, just a second. Yeah, here you are. This is for the change of your what it called blind. So don't put like this. Always face towards this side. Okay, and not only that, here you can see, can you focus a little closer? This is here line. This side there's no line. Okay, like this. So this is the line, very important, like this side and other side. Okay, and very strong. You don't have to put 4. It's better if you put the 4, but it's not necessary. So what you do is first focus over here, please. And first, not like this. First put it like this. There is a line. You have to put this. You see here, this should be go inside this line. Did you see that? Right? See? Right? And this side too. Can you focus here? put it inside like this. See, right? Very simple. Many people, they're confused. Okay, 1, 2, right? So push like this. See? Push, push, push. That's it. See, they hold. Now what you have to do is just pull down. Very simple. Pull down all the way. And after that, you can go up like this. Just, you know, push. Or so I have a stick to change the blind. You have to just put inside the hole. Can you put closer? Like this, see? So now put down. You can change, see? Very easy. So this is like a 2 minutes video. I hope you get some help. Thank you. Free Tibet.